Watch this video to learn how to get perfect English rhythm and sound natural and fluent when you speak English. Let's go. I'm Deirdre Nicholas from Palm Tree Teaching, your personal language coach. Now, who doesn't want to speak English perfectly and naturally and fluently? Of course, it's everyone's dream and their goal in English. Well, in my videos, as you know, I help to supercharge your English to another level. And one great way to do that and to sound fluent is to have English-style rhythm when you speak. So, what's English rhythm, I hear you say? Rhythm is the strong pattern of words and sounds in a language. English has a regular rhythm, with the sound of the language organised around the stressed syllables. So improving the rhythm of your spoken English will improve your pronunciation too. But you know, rhythm isn't something that English learners think about very much when they're learning. They focus on vocabulary and grammar and that kind of thing. But a little secret to sounding more fluent is to get the correct rhythm with the right stress. This can make such a difference to how you sound. So, what creates the rhythm in English? And how are you going to get that? Rhythm in English is made by stress. Stressed sounds and syllables are those sounds that English native speakers make longer and louder and higher pitched. So the stressed words are words like nouns, adjectives, verbs and adverbs. And the other type of words are those are not stressed, the little grammar words. And then they're not stressed, so it makes the rhythm go up and down between the stressed and the unstressed words. The two important types of stress that you can work on to improve your English rhythm are 1. Sentence and word stress, and 2. Connected speech. And a sort of third is the schwa, because that's very important for connected speech and weak forms as well. Now, you probably remember in my previous videos in this series, the 5 elements of getting your pronunciation better, I've already talked about word stress and sentence stress. So be sure to watch these as well, because that's really important for getting the rhythm right, and I'll put a card above. So now, I'd like to talk to you about connected speech, which is so important for rhythm. And it will make you sound more fluent. Oh, before I do this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos and lessons. Now, connected speech. When we native speakers speak, we speak in groups of words, which are continuous and may not have pauses in them. So when we do this, it causes changes in the shape of the words. For example, unstressed words, those little grammar words, always sound different when they're spoken on their own compared with when they're in a sentence. The most common parts of connected speech are the following 2. The weak forms of grammar words, such as and, to, was, have, were, and contractions, when we shorten words, such as can't, won't, I'll, he'll, they'll, should've. Now these of course are really well known, but there are other parts of connected speech to get the right rhythm. And they make the language rhythmic, natural and fluent, so you will want to pay attention to these. Elision, which is losing sounds or syllables to make the language faster and easier to say. For example, I don't know becomes I don't know, and fish and chips becomes fish and chips. The second thing is linking, so adding or joining sounds between words. So either vowel to vowel or vowel to consonant. For example, a part of it becomes a part of it, and this afternoon becomes this afternoon. And assimilation, of course, which is changing sounds. So an example would be, instead of saying handbag, we say handbag. Now, because these are such big and important areas of language, I'm going to be doing a video on this really soon. So, how can you practice rhythm? Well, here is a great exercise you can do whether you're at home, in the office, or in your class with your students. It's called the bouncing ball or the clapping activity, and it's a great way to practice rhythm. So get hold of a ball and practice bouncing it on the ground. Get a regular speed going and a rhythm. Now the idea is to say a sentence while you're bouncing the ball, and it helps to keep your rhythm correct and regular. So repeat each sentence 3 times, and the trick is that you have to match the speed that you say the sentence, so some words will be quicker, some words will be slower, to match the speed of the ball. So if you don't have a ball, you can get the same rhythm through clapping. Okay, so we start clapping rhythmically. So here's some sentences to try. So from my previous videos, you know where the stress should fall. On the nouns, on the adjectives, on the adverbs, and on the verbs. So this will help you to practice that. If I finish all my work, I can go out tonight. If I finish all my work, I can go out tonight. The weather's been so lovely today. The weather's been so lovely today. I'm going to the shops to buy eggs, milk and bread. I'm going to the shops to buy eggs, milk and bread. Got the idea? It's fun to do. Now for the English teachers amongst you, I would love to help you by giving you some ideas on how to present and deliver teaching rhythm in the classroom. So if you're interested, please let me know in the comments below. Oh, and share this with your colleagues and work colleagues and all your friends. By the way, make sure you go and watch all my other videos. Like and subscribe to this amazing channel where you will build your English fast and improve your English fluency in a fun way. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Enjoy learning your English, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Ow.